It means body language, very important. So when we talk about shoes, how can we forget? Like Cinderella is like a greatest example. Like a new pair of shoes can change your life. Wearing shoes, I mean the kind of shoes that you wear define you better. I think when a particular woman wears a basic outfit, something like, oh sorry, some, something like denim pants and t-shirt, and she's nicely topped it up with white sneakers. So what does this tell about this woman? It says that she's very carefree and she's very confident. And on the other hand, where this woman is nicely dressed in something very similar to the previous one, she's topped it up with blazer and heels. This means this woman likes to be taken seriously. Wearing similar kind of outfits doesn't mean you're same or you're similar in any way, but the way you accessorize it, the way you present it to the world makes a lot of difference. Like they say, give a woman a great pair of shoes and she will conquer the world. But when you ask me, what does redefining fashion mean to me? It means breaking the rules and experimenting. It means not being the stereotype. It doesn't mean just following the trends blindly. I'd like to give you a great example. Like we Indian women, we love to dress up as brides and we wear everything possible that we can. So this is a beautiful woman who's wearing amazing jewelry, looking gorgeous, her lehenga, everything so perfect. But what I liked about this other lady called Asin, she has dressed up so simply and so elegantly, yet looked just as a beautiful bride. I mean, she's so confident that she could carry this off. I mean, she's worn minimum jewelry, she's not wearing very loud makeup, but yet makes her look very pretty and elegant, be it her wedding outfit or her reception outfit. Also, mixing colors to your outfit. Like if you're wearing something very basic, you can add some color. It could be something very contrast to what you're even wearing. Just like this slide, this pretty lady is wearing a trouser and top, and she's added a little color of red, which makes her glow and makes her stand out, and it's fabulous. This is another one that people like to experiment, and with something like white, people generally go for light shades of makeup and stuff, but here she's wearing something very dark called burgundy color. Also, I'd like to say mixing, matching of prints is really in. I don't think you need to wear something very similar. If you're wearing polka dots, you need to wear polka dots down, or you're wearing linings, you can completely mix and match the prints. And it still looks totally awesome. You just have to be very confident on whatever you wear and whatever you're doing. And that is it. Thank you so much for listening.